Hi, I'm Golanis Kosana, originally from Siabuswa in Mpumalanga, currently residing at Enkangala. I am directing a startup called the X Reality Lab. So the startup currently employs 6 individuals, mostly developers, because we make use of ICT skill or programming skill rather.
Hi guys, how are you? My name is Tavo Sikosana and I am a sales and marketing strategist for X Reality Lab.
My name is Tapelo Mohotle. I am the creative director of X Reality Lab. I'm currently residing in Pretoria, but originally I am from Alexander in Gauteng.
My name is Siziwe Tole and I am based in Pretoria, and I work at X Reality Lab as a virtual reality developer.
My name is Diselan Hlongwane and I'm a VR developer working in X Reality.
So the virtual reality company named X Reality Lab, the purpose of it is to solve the challenge that students face when they need to do practical or hands-on training, but don't have enough equipment to do so. So the softwares that we create are representing environments and workplaces that students find difficult to access.
A virtual reality developer, I design and code virtual spaces. For example, I can design a virtual school, so I design that school using 3D models, then I code it and design it through Unity. So you can actually be in that virtual school by wearing the Oculus headsets or any VR headsets.
So basically everything that is creative, your posters, marketing material, videos, reels, every social media material, everything that has to do with creative stuff and media, I'm the go-to guy for that.
What I do for X Reality Lab is that I deal with the marketing for the company, from social media to the real marketing, where now we have to go out there and present our product to our potential clients. And then what I also do for the company is that we do things like presentations, I write proposals for the company, I do quotations as well. So basically I'm like an all-rounder within the company.
Every day when I get here,
We have like a meeting with the boss as to what we need to do.
Then I open my laptop, of course, because I need to code and design the virtual environment.
I set up those Oculus, the VR headset.
See that I open Photoshop for the day, maybe Premiere Pro, edit some videos.
And then I make sure I log in on my platform, the platform that I use for development. And then that's it. I take it from there.
So how I ended up in the tech industry, honestly, that was a mistake.
My plan was not to be in a tech company.
I did IT, specialized in multimedia, so that I can be able to have like that in-demand qualification. And then from there, I can be able to do whatever I want within that qualification.
I found myself in a tech company and I had to adjust. And the kind of tech that we have here is a bit complex.
But I don't regret. I had a mentor at high school who applied IT for me at Tshwane University of Technology. And it's funny how the first week was horrible because I didn't know anything related to IT, but I had to study, push hard, and that's how I end up in the tech industry. And this is how I end up as a virtual reality developer.
The first time I came here, I was like, now is the right time for me to do this thing. And then I was like, now I'm into this. And then I started following more videos on how the things work.
Everything that I do now, I kind of saw it from my dad. So my dad was a photographer, he was a wedding photographer and all that. So he used a lot of Photoshop, a lot of Premiere Pro. So I was interested in that, but then he said that I shouldn't go straight into that. I should maybe go and do IT first, but specialize in multimedia.
If you want to be a virtual reality developer,
you need to start before you actually go into school, because this is a very competitive field, and it's forever changing.
Also, don't focus on one medium of learning. There's so many mediums of learning out there. YouTube is one of them.
And to teach yourself, you can go to YouTube or you buy a course through Udemy. So the skills that are required, it's a game development called Unity, game engine.